So another way I treat my water when I'm out in the backcountry is the chemical way. There's a product called Aquamira that I use, and I actually transfer the solutions into these little plastic bottles that I got online that are lighter and smaller than the packaged Aquamira. So it saves on some weight and space in my bag. Aquamira has two parts. There's part A and there's part B. So part A I put in the green, and part B I put in the red dropper. And then I have a little mixer dropper bottle that I use to put in. So basically you'd use part A, which is the green in my bottles. You do 8 drops. This is solution B, 8 drops. So there's 8 and 8, so there's 16 drops total in here. And that mix is good for 1 liter of water. Now I basically just dumped my smart bottle right in the creek behind me and filled it up. In fact, you could probably drink this water without filtering it, but what the heck, I want to be safe. So I got the water, and you have to let the solution sit for about 15 minutes before you put it in here. Once you put this in here, 15 minutes from now, you stir this up, and you basically have to let this sit another 30 minutes, and then it's ready to go. So it's a great way to treat water when you come into camp at night when it's cold and you don't want to get your hands all wet in the morning filtering water. So you do this during the day, you get it ready, and your water's ready when you get to camp, or it's ready in the morning when you wake up. So it's a really nice way to supplement the filter, the Sawyer squeeze filter system that I use. So thanks a lot. Cheers, guys.